Oh my god.
I like a bronze statue.
So today we're going to be recreating some makeup TikTok hacks.
We haven't seen them yet, so wish us luck. Ready for the first one?
Yes.
Here we go.
Okay, lip balm
Oh.
and
Oh,
eyeshadow.
what? I wouldn't put my lip balm.
Oh.
Oh, cool.
I feel like that can go really wrong.
Metallic lips.
That colour's so nice.
Juicy. You don't need to spend loads of money on
Every
expensive
day.
metallic lipstick.
Oh, yeah.
Well, I had a mirror.
I'm so scared.
I already feel that looking terrible. No.
Have you got
No. Do I?
You look so gothic.
Oh, I do.
I feel like I'm gonna look one of those bronze statues that you get in London.
This is terrible to do.
Oh,
right
yeah.
now.
Just
Listen.
go. You look futuristic.
I mean, listen. As a hack, it actually works.
If anyone's going to pull it up, it's
You know
you,
what?
though.
The colour, I feel, is just not it.
It's
Oh
going to
my
be
God.
hydrated.
Yeah, I was gonna say, yeah, it feels really good. My lips dry out. Oh my god.
I look like a bronze statue.
No.
I just need to be sitting on a fountain right now.
Stop. As a hack, like to match your eyeshadow, it's pretty bomb. Like,
But look how, is it the same colour?
it is, yeah.
Could
Oh, yours looks so good.
Yeah.
I love
Really?
the gold. I love
I feel like we
it.
look like a girl band.
Oh my god, we do.
All right, I think we did pretty well.
Yeah,
I'm
I think
ready.
we did good.
That was good. Good first time.
Hot. 7 out of 10 for the work.
For the work, for the effort.
For the
put in.
effort, for
I
the
actually
job.
7 out of 10.
I absolutely love this. You two look great.
I think
I
you,
think
look
you did really
great.
well. Like, check out
Yeah.
you guys.
I think you look a bit ill, personally.
You look too
You're
cold
good.
and I look too warm.
And I'm just.
You just need some blood dripping there.